Okay, very good morning, students. Wish me a very good morning by raising your hand once. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Good morning.
Okay, children. Very good morning to you all, to all of you. So here, in our previous period, we were discussing about direct and indirect speech. No, there we have completed our discussion about the imperative sentences, right? So now today we have to learn about changing to into indirect speech in case of exclamatory sentences. Okay, so you all know that exclamatory sentence is a sentence that that expresses surprise, wonder, sorrow, pain, happiness, etc. Right? So you will find exclamatory mark in this type of sentence. So here I have written few rules on the board. Later I have written some 5 examples that we'll discuss one by one afterwards. So let us first see the rules. So changing into reported speech in case of exclamatory sentences. So then you have to change the reporting word. You have to make it either exclaim, cry, applaud, confess. Okay. So he cried, he exclaimed, he confessed, like that. He exclaimed, like that you have to use the reporting word. In the place of said, in indirect speech, you are going to use this word. Exclaimed, cried, applauded, confessed, like that. And with that, as the case, okay, you have to add these words with joy, joyfully. He exclaimed with joy, or else he exclaimed joyfully. He cried with joy, or he cried joyfully. Okay, he applauded or he approved. Applauded here means giving approval. If somebody is playing very well in the cricket match, or if anybody is giving very good answers in the classroom, then the teacher approves, no, or the audience they approve, no. In that case, you are using the word applaud. Okay. Then you have the word confess. You know the meaning of confess. No, when we are admitting our wrong, then it is called what? Whatever wrong things we do, no, that if we admit, that is called confessing. Okay, confess. So as the case may be, you are using these words with joy, with sorrow, with surprise, with wonder, with pain, like this. Then exclamatory sentence should be changed to assertive sentence, and exclamatory mark will not remain in indirect speech. In the place of exclamatory mark, you are using full stop. Okay. Then next one is, as you have changed exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence, you have to use the conjunction that to bring the link between two sentences there. Okay, you are using the conjunction that here because see, exclamatory sentence is changed into assertive sentence. Remember this. Okay, so now in case of assertive sentence and in case of exclamatory sentence, you are using the conjunction that while changing a direct speech to indirect speech. Remember this. Okay, yeah. So you are, as you are changing exclamatory to assertive, you have to use the conjunction that. Then next one, see in exclamatory sentences you will find these type of words. No, aha, hooray. Okay. So these words they mean joy. So if in the exclamatory sentence, if you find this one, aha, hooray, in that case you should understand that that person is happy. Okay. Then alas, oh. So all these words they express sorrow, pain, grief. Okay. Then oh, what? All these things they express surprise or wonder. Then bravo. Okay. So this bravo it expresses approval. Bravo, what a fine shot you have played. So in this case, It means that you are expressing your approval. You are happy, very happy with his shot, like that. That is approval. Then next one. See children, here I have taken one example. So up to here, do you have any doubt? Up to here, do you have any doubt? Okay, if nobody has got doubt, then let us move on for solving the examples. So first one I have taken. Pinky said, okay. Pinky said, hooray, I have passed. See, hooray, it means what? Pinky is happy, okay. Pinky is happy, joyful. She is happy because she has passed the examination. Hooray, I have passed. So how to change it into indirect speech? So Pinky, okay. So in the place of this reporting verb, you have to use these words: exclaim, cry, applaud. Okay. So here Pinky is very happy, no? Because she has passed the exam. That is why you can use exclaim or you can use cry here. Okay. So Pinky exclaimed or Pinky cried. Pinky exclaimed with joy or joyfully. With joy that, okay. So I, in the place of I, you are using the pronoun she. She, have should be changed into its past tense form, had passed. See here. This is how you have to change. Okay. Pinky exclaimed with joy that she had passed. Then afterwards you have to give the full stop here. Then next one. She said, alas, I have lost my gold ring. So this one is very easy. I'll leave it for you children. See, I'll take this one. I said to her, what? You have lost the bridal ring. Okay. See here. I said to her. I in the place of said, you are using exclaimed. Okay. I exclaimed with surprise because I didn't guess that she would lose her bridal ring. Okay. Engagement ring ಅನ್ನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅವಳ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಏನು ವಿಚಾರ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ that she had. Okay. In the place of you. See, I said it to her. No, that's why in the place of you, you are using the pronoun she. I exclaimed with surprise that she had. Okay. Change it into past tense form. She had lost the bridal ring. See, this is how you have to change. Now, I'll take another one. See, she said, how lovely the child is. Okay. She said, how lovely the child is. So, she exclaimed. She exclaimed with joy that, okay, see here, how lovely the child is. That means what? The child was very lovely, no? So that's why you have to use the words like very, big, great, like that. So here you have to use the adverb very. She exclaimed with joy that the child, okay, was very lovely. Okay. She exclaimed with joy that the child was very lovely because see, is changed into its past tense form was. How lovely the child is. It is an exclamatory sentence. It is changed to assertive sentence. Okay. The child was very lovely. The child was very lovely. How lovely the child is, exclamatory sentence. It is changed into assertive sentence. The child was very lovely. Okay. So this is how you have to change. So children, any doubt you have? If you have any doubt, let me clarify. No doubt? Then shall I give you the chance to solve the examples? Okay, 2 examples are remaining on the board. No? Come to this one. Okay. So she said, alas, I have lost my gold ring. Who will tell me the answer for this question? Solve on your notebook and tell me the answer. Take your time. Okay, Aryan. Aryan is ready. Diksha Bhatt is ready. Yes, Vaishnavi is ready. Very nice. Yes, Anudeep is also ready. Then no one is ready. No one else is ready. Only 4. Purnachandra, Swati, okay, Sushrita, nice. Then others, please try. It is very easy. I have got only 7 students here. What are others doing? Okay. Yes, Aryan? Yes, Aryan?
She exclaimed
She exclaimed.
with sorrow
Exactly. With sorrow
that
that
she had
she had
lost
lost
her gold ring.
her gold ring. Okay, very nice. Your answer is correct. Okay. So she exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her gold ring. See here, children. Alas. Okay. So alas, it expresses what? Alas expresses sorrow, pain, grief, right? So she exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her gold ring. Okay, now Aryan's answer is correct. Now go for the last example, that is 5th one. I said to him, what a fool you are. What a fool you are. Yes, solve on your own. Take your 1 minute time and raise your hand. Yes, Vaishnavi is ready. Then with Vaishnavi, what about others? Yes, Pranav Hegde came. Yes. Then only 2. Dhanya. Dhanya.
Mataji,
What difficulty you have, Marie?
nothing Mataji.
Then you have not raised your hand.
I have raised my hand Mataji.
Okay, it's not showing here. Okay. Yeah, tell me the answer.
I exclaimed with surprise that
I exclaimed with surprise or with disgust. Okay. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಫೂಲ್ ಇರೋದಾ ಅಂತ. Disgust is also okay. Surprise is also okay. Okay. I exclaimed with surprise
that
that
He was such a fool.
He was such a fool ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. He was you can use very big, great like that. He was
Great fool.
great ಕಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ which one is better Navi? It is big. Okay. He was a big fool. Okay. Yes, your answer is correct. He exclaimed with surprise that he was a big fool. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Your answer is correct. Now I'll give you 5 more examples. You have to solve it. Okay. Yes. Okay, see, I have written 5 examples, no? Yes, first one is, she said, how fearful the sight is. Yes, now who will tell me the answer? She said, how fearful the sight is. Pranav Hegde. Pranav? There are many students. Yes, Pranav is there, Purnachandra, Anudeep, Abhiram, Vaishnavi are there. 5 students are there. Pranav, will you tell me the answer? Yes, one more is added. Diksha Bhatt. Pranav? Pranav? Okay, I think Pranav cannot speak. Let me give a chance to Abhiram. Yes, Abhiram?
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
She exclaimed with surprise that
She
how fearful the sight is.
exclaimed with surprise
Surprise
that,
that
huh,
how fearful the sight is.
how fearful the sight is. See, Marie, this sentence is in exclamatory form, no? You have to change it to assertive form. How? You cannot use the word how there in the assertive sentence. Anudeep,
Yes, Mataji.
tell, she explained the surprise that
The sight is fearful.
the sight up to here, okay. What about this is? What should
The
happen to
sight is
is? What should happen to this is? What you
the
have to,
sight was fearful.
the sight was, okay. So how fearful? How the? So means you have to show the extreme. It is extreme. No? That's why you have to show that extreme point. You have to express that.
Very fearful.
Exactly. So that's why she exclaimed with surprise that the sight was, I'll continue writing here, children, very fearful. Okay, this is how you have to change. The sight was very fearful. She exclaimed with surprise that the sight was very fearful. Okay, yeah. Now, go for the second question, children. Ram said to her, what? You have spent all the money for clothes? Yes. Solve the answer, solve the question and tell me the answer. Ram said to her. Abhiram, Anudeep, Swati, Aryan, Purnachandra, Sushrita, Diksha, yes, Pranav, Hegde, Purnachandra, Vishnu, Hegde. Chaudhary. Chinmay Chaudhary. Okay, Chinmay Chaudhary is not available. Shreyash Shanbag. Shreyash Shanbag. Shreyash Shanbag is not there. Ankit. Ankit. Shreyash Shanbag, Ankit are missing. They have joined. They were there in the class in beginning. Don't know what happened to them now. Okay, if Ankit is not ready. Diksha, but Diksha,
Yes, Mataji.
tell me the answer now.
Ram exclaimed with surprise
Exactly. Ram exclaimed with surprise.
that
That
she had spent
she Had. Okay, very good. She had spent. Huh. All the money for clothes. Okay. Yes, your answer is correct. Ram exclaimed with surprise. See, this what it expresses a surprise. No, that's why Ram exclaimed with surprise that. Okay, Ram said to her. No, that's why you should change to she. Okay, you have to use the pronouns she there. Ram exclaimed with surprise that she have past tense form is had. Okay, have so past tense form is had. So she had spent all the money for clothes. Yes. Now next one. The spectators said, "Bravo, well played, Mohan." Yes. Go for the answer. Find the answer. Huh. Can anybody answer? I think this is little bit new one for you. Yes, I'll give a chance to Vaishnavi Arigde for this question. Quite means little bit different. Don't know. In your previous class, you have solved this type of question or not? Vaishnavi Arigde, will you try? Yes, Vaishnavi.